I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious taco cheese sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of your favorite cheese, shredded for easy melting. Also, have 1 cup of milk or half and half on hand. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt. A dash of your favorite taco seasoning will add extra flavor. To begin, melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir continuously for about 1 minute to cook out the raw flour taste. This mixture, known as a roux, is crucial for thickening your sauce and preventing any lumps, ensuring a wonderfully smooth texture for your cheese sauce. Now, slowly pour in 1 cup of milk or half and half, whisking constantly to avoid any lumps. Keep stirring until the mixture begins to thicken slightly, which usually takes a few minutes. Once it's reached a gentle simmer, reduce the heat to low. Gradually add your shredded cheese, stirring continuously until it's completely melted and beautifully smooth. This low heat prevents the cheese from seizing. Finally, stir in a pinch of salt and your preferred taco seasonings to taste. Feel free to adjust the spices until it's just right for you. This rich, creamy cheese sauce is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm over your favorite tacos, nachos, or even as a dip. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.